Hello everyone, welcome to Vending team, and we present you our version 3 of Mono Pro Max. Advanced design, bigger display, space for advertisements, and more than that we have dual door for your convenience. Okay, let's check it out. This is how you open it. Okay, this is our dual door. Convenient for everybody. This is our collection. And I restock कसरी गर्ने भन्दाखेरि यो टक्क गरी त्यसरी झ्याक्कै आउँछु and then place your desired product. त्यसरी राख्यो like this. त्यसरी हाम्रो 6 वटा ट्रे छ and we are advanced LED light and we even have placed drop sensor जसले चाहिँ कस्टमरलाई भन्दा पनि सेलरलाई नोटिफाई दिन्छ कुनै किनेपछि सामान खस्यो भनेर. Okay, now let's close it. This is how we close it. So, if you तपाईँलाई पनि भेन्डिङ मेसिन चाहिएको छ भने आज नै तल दिएको नम्बरमा सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला. Vending team, developing vending culture in Nepal.